For best experience, use your headphones.
Statistics, one more important chapter which we have learned already from 8th standard, 9th standard, and it is continuation in 10th standard. We know the meaning of statistics. Statistics means collection of the data, arrangement of data, classification of data, numerical interpretation of the data, analysis of the data, and giving the result is called as statistics according to the given situation. So today we'll be learning the mean, calculation of mean, already which we have learned. But again, it is the first topic of 10th standard statistics. What is mean? The mean, or it is also called as average of observations, is the sum of the values of all the observation. Sum of the values of all the observations divided by the total number of observation divided by total number of observation. We will learn this by taking one simple sum. I have a sum in front of you. Find the mean of marks. Find the mean of marks, or we can call it as average of the following scores. What is the marks given to us or scores given to us? 50, 30, 10, 5, 15. We have to find the mean of this. Okay. So first what we will do, we will arrange all these numbers vertically. The scores will be represented as xi. So first is 50. Order is not important. You can write as it is 30. Next is 10, 5, 15. Okay. So now we have to add this. You know the meaning of the mean. I told you already. Sum of the values of all observation. This course itself is called observation. We will add this. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 110. Okay. So the sum of the scores is usually represented as sigma xi. Sigma xi means sum of the values of all the observation. Sigma means sum, total of all the observation. How much it is? 110. Then we will consider n. N means number of observation. Total number of observation. Total number of scores. How many scores you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is also represented as x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. This is sum of all the values of all the observation divided by total number of observation. What is the sum of the observation? 110. What is the total number of observations? 5. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, mean or average of the given scores is 22. Find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students. Marks is given 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. Then number of students. Scoring 10, 1. Scoring 2, 20 is 1. 36 is 3, 40 is 4, 50 is 3, 56 is 2, 60 is 4, 70 is 4, 72 is 1, 80 is 1, 88 is 2, 92 is 3, 95 is 1. This is number of students. So in this sum you can notice scores is given plus frequency is given. Scores plus frequency is given. This is the method you have to follow. Now we will list all these scores one below the other under the heading X. So I am writing here 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. Next is frequency. So 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. As you know, we have to add frequency column. But already has given you here, find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students. That means the sum of the frequency will be 30. If you add, you will get 30. This is represented as sigma f. Sigma means sum of the frequency. Sigma f means sum of the frequency. The next important column is we have to find fx column. What do you have to find? You have to find fx column. Fx means what? You have to multiply this. 10 ones are 10, 20 ones are 20, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Write one below the other properly. 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, 3 50s are 150, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 6 4s are 24, 4 zeros are 0, 4 7s are 28. 1 into 72 is 72. 1 into 80 is 80. Now 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 27. 1 into 95 is 95. Now you have to add fx column. This will give you sigma fx. This will give you sigma fx. So now we are adding this. So what we are doing? We are adding this. 8, 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. So 9, 2 carry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 16, 17, 21, 29, 36, 36, 44, 44, 51, 51, 51 plus 7, 58, 58 plus 9, 58 plus 9, 67, 6 carry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1779. So now what is the formula for mean? Mean, I told you it can be represented as x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Okay, so mean is equal to sigma fx. How much? 1779. Write it here. 1779 divided by sigma f. Sigma f means sum of frequency, that is 30. So write here 30. You have to divide this. Definitely I can use 3 ones are tables. 3 10s are. Okay, 3 10s are 30. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 27. That means 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So now what you got? 593 by 10. So mean is equal to, if you divide 593 by 10, you will get 59.3. So mean of the given frequency table is 59.3. Whatever the mean we are finding, it is called as direct method. Finding mean, we have got two more method. It is called as assume mean method, step deviation method. So that is not required now. We have to remember only direct method. In previous sum, in first sum, only scores were given. In second sum, scores and frequency was given. Now in third sum, they will give you class interval plus frequency. This is what today we are going to learn. When they give you class interval and frequency, you have to remember the following explanation. Whatever class interval is given, you have to prepare a column for class interval. Then whatever frequency is given, you have to prepare one more column next to that. That is called as frequency column. After this, you have to prepare a column called as X. X means class mark. X meaning is class mark. X meaning is class mark, or it is also called as midpoint. Midpoint of class interval. It is also known as midpoint of class interval. After that, the fourth column which you have to remember is the multiplication of f and x, that is fx column. You have to create one more fx column. In this, which are the columns to be added? That is frequency column you have to add. Okay, then fx column you have to add. If you add frequency column, it will be represented as sigma f. When you are adding fx column, it will be represented as sigma fx. So therefore, mean formula, mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. As I told you, mean can also be represented as x bar. Now here we'll take a simple example of only one line. So I'm taking one simple example of only one line. So here you can notice 45 to 55 is the class interval. 3 is the frequency. Now how to find class mark midpoint? So midpoint means the centermost score between 45 and 55. How? You add upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 45 plus 55 how much? 100 by 2. 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 50 is considered as the midpoint of the respective class interval. Afterwards what you should do? You have to multiply frequency and midpoint. 3 5s are 15. That means 150. So like that, respective midpoint and frequency you have to multiply and create a column. That column you have to add, frequency column you have to add, and then you have to find the mean. This is the important columns under direct method. Numbers can change, but these columns will not change. Adding f will not change. Adding fx will not change. The mean formula will not change. Finding the class mark or midpoint procedure will not change. So you have to remember this. You have to by heart and keep it in your mind. So whenever they ask us, find the mean, these are the columns. When they give you class interval and frequency, these are the columns you have to remember. Find the mean of the given frequency distribution. Class interval 10 to 25. You have to record here. 10 to 25. 25 to 40. 25 to 40. 40 to 55, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 70 to 85, 85 to 100, 85 to 100. Then frequency 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Now the first point is you have to add the frequency. What you have to do? You have to add the frequency. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 24, 30. So, sum of frequency is 30. Next, what I should find? I should find class mark. How to find class mark? You add, what you should add? You should add lower limit plus upper limit. Like this. 10 plus 25 divided by 2. 10 plus 25. 35. 35 divided by 2. 17.5. So what is the class mark? Midpoint. 17.5 is the midpoint. Then you can definitely check this. The class interval is 25 minus 10 is 15. If you add 15 to this, you will get the next midpoint. So 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry. 1, 2, 3. 32.5. That is 32.5. The meaning is, if you add and divide, you will get 32.5. Otherwise, if you start adding the size of the class interval, you will be getting the next midpoint. Midpoint of the next class interval. Suppose if I add 15 to this, then this will become 47.5. Add 15 to this, then this will become 62.5. Then this will be 77.5. Then this is 92.5. If you want one more sum, I am showing you. 70 plus 85 divided by 2. 5. 7 plus 8. 15 divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. Then this will become 15. 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder. 2 5s are 10. You can notice 77.5. Like this, you can add and divide it by 2 or find the first midpoint and then add the size of the class interval. You will start getting the midpoints of the next class interval. Now you have to multiply fx. So you have to start multiplying. 17.5 into 2, you will get 35. 35. Next, 3 into 32.5, you will get 97.5. I'll show you the multiplication. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3, 52. 1 carry 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 7 5s are 35. 3 carry 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3, 52. 5 carry 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5, 33. Like that you can add. 6 multiplication. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 3 carry 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45. 4 carry 6 7s are 42 plus 4, 46. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry 6 9s are 54 plus 1, 55. So fx is multiplied and recorded in this column. Now add this. 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 carry 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 14 15, 20, 25, 30. 3 carry 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 18, 25, 25, 31, 36. 3 carry 3, 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So we got sigma fx as 1860. Sigma fx as 1860. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. So 1860 by what is sigma f? Sigma f is 30. Zeros are cancelled. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6. So what is the mean of the given frequency distribution table? 62.